How are you? If you are watching this video, you may be considering a CAT 305.5E2 to add to your fleet. Or maybe you are a first-time equipment buyer looking forward to bring one home to the farm. You may have questions. I'm Humphrey from SINOMADA, and I have answers. Our company has been in the heavy equipment industry for 40 years. Today, I'm at a branch of Caterpillar to show you this mini machine. Number one, we are going to provide you with a 2-year 1,500-hour unlimited warranty that covers everything from the bucket to counterweight and everything in between. The 305.5E2 utilizes Caterpillar their own hydraulic system and power system, which are proven and very common. And the CAT C2.4 DI engine delivers high fuel efficiency. We will got our hydraulic tank here. It's easily accessible hydraulic filters. I love the placement of this diesel fuel tank. It got a big cap. One thing I really like about this bucket is we still using the old school common teeth. They are inexpensive to replace and you can get the parts anywhere. Speaking of the part accessibility, we stock every ground engaged parts for every model CAT. Compared to other mini excavators, the 305.5E2 is with the most spacious cab. Comes standard with an adjustable seat, armrest, and AC. The basic controls in the cab are pretty self-explanatory. I do like the fact that they added lights on it. Also, we got a radio. You gotta have some music. Another really cool feature that they added a load sense hydraulics. No longer will you have to go into the monitor and switch the mode from economy, heavy, light. It does all that automatically. That's gonna reduce your hydraulic wear and save your fuel. The 305.5E2 is perfect for working in confined space because of its zero-tail screen. I hope I will answer all your questions. Now it's time for you to get your butt in the seat behind this control and digging holes. To schedule a demo, visit us at sinomada.com.
Let's do the work.